Hi boys and girls, welcome to today's Play-Doh Star Surprises. Let's open them up and find out what toys are inside them. First up, we have a blue star surprise. It's Splinter from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's open up the pink star surprise. It's Finn McMissile. Comment below and tell me if you know why Finn McMissile has fins. Next up, we have a green star surprise. It's Painter Smurf. Let's open up the red star surprise. It's Cool Cube from the Shopkins. Click the thumbs up button below if you like Cool Cube. Next up, we have a pink star surprise. It's Clone Trooper from Star Wars. Let's open up the yellow star surprise. It's Mavis from Thomas and Friends. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button and write a comment if you enjoyed today's video. See ya!